malungil kapsigal manigid ako'y tiyang selok temel National Emergency Committee Special Weather Statement Update. Mabakmuol ko yung sa nga miss nga mas office rigid weather service malbol paskit sel update.
Amsulang women. Nga kadi mo update rayel BSL al druolel tial tropical storm Rai. Makuk sel ra air clock 8 p.m. Ang mlool talwa siya druolel tial yol tal morablurang ayangla at 20 miles radims rablurang ayangla. Kuk druolel morablur orior 35 miles northeast rablur orior. 35 miles rablur orior. Ako pelura ngayaura en 65 miles northeast rablur ngayaura. May gigida igel beesel el druolel ti alyolta real al 8 p.m. e igel mlomregal el gimul sadr ti nomregal 1 hour agol el 7 o'clock 7 p.m. Ako rakuk milngot el ang matel besel update di update ay gigidel el besel druolel ti alyolta. Makuk oidil morawimen manguk mosma daigel el guk to giredol tirak malubi kadamol malol tirak el al el dirga tangara al sela typhoon warning.
Sulang miss kamas agigid agil guk update tiagid el tropical storm Rai. Mang suadang utal ti ale dulu to maklat kak mo maldir kangara al sela kan tilayang mada kauklat kal malmol maldingar agil dangaringi lakado may sirarail el mo ulang el guktub akarior el mergid di bok paskida gal announcement tra PPUC el mo el all time power dengi aw lakwadra ababaldab el ngi adom kadong ringik maseng sel necken line rumur trangat pang ngaram langoy ngat mau ngarard ngar along ngiwal malgayok mang esar agel guk pasyor orior el PUC amlo umquadra dengiringi stoang rapit ramyuns all the way morang kapasang STA el mora sele San Jose back road Osakahang madilek agegid agel basyol el PPUC mlo mquadra dengiringi ang mosobel dengil el malmol malmasisi ewngil el mora Abelao National Hospital mablabulis le clotutlela el mol el make sure agegid el essential service adiaka ako dole la dengiringi le malmol ngara ewngil tegil kantilayang madangil el dikot mokol girel malwaise bok ngutalo yung mamsang amis sa chisingeo melguk polo yu dagel ngi update el al hour el mura toram rigel.
According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center's latest update, it is reported that the closest point of approach for Palau was at about 7 p.m. But as of 8 p.m., Tropical Storm Rai is about 20 miles south of Kayangal State, 35 miles northeast of Koror State, and 65 miles north to northeast of Angar State. I'll repeat that. Tropical Storm Rai is about 20 miles south of Kayangal State, 35 miles northeast of Koror State, and 65 miles north to northeast of Angar State. Even though Tropical Storm Rai has passed over Palau, the public is urged to remain indoors until otherwise directed by the National Emergency Committee, the NEC. The Ministry of Health and Human Services continues to ask the public to call 911 when they're in need of emergency services. Please refrain from driving yourself to the hospital. The Palau National Communications Corporation, or PNCC, has also informed us that services in Kayangal State and in Gaclao of Ngarard State remain suspended, and this includes phone calls, video, and data. The Palau Public Utilities Corporation, or PPUC, reports that there are planned outages in places currently and in place currently and forthcoming to keep services to the Balao National Hospital and the Bureau of Public Safety to prevent fluctuation and interruption to those essential offices. The areas are as follows. The first is the Neckeng Line, which is comprised of Babaldab on the east and west coast, specifically the states of Ngatpang, Ngaramlanguy, Ngartmao, Ngarard, Ngaralong, Ngiwal, Malgayog, and Esar. Secondly, we have Pete Store in Mayuns of Koror all the way to Palau Pacific Resort. And finally, the SDA schools in Ngarbeeth to the San Jose Back Road in Osakahang of Edith Hamlet in Koror. The National Emergency Committee would also like to remind the public that schools, both private and public, will remain closed, and non-essential government offices will also remain closed tomorrow. Lastly, the NEC strongly advises the public to remain indoors, whether at home or at the shelters. Roads should remain clear for emergency purposes. Should you have any questions, concerns, or needs to come about, please contact the National Emergency Management Office, or NEMO, at 587-6366 or 587-6367. We have a shelter hotline, which is 488-5780 or 488-5781, or the Palau Red Cross Society numbers as well. We have 775-PRCS, which is 775-7727, or 775-SAFE, which is 775-7233.
Madam Saula missing yo. Agiging ukno sa edel gutmok update al hour. إذا دوني لقي القبس الأبديت رايقال الويذر سيرفيس أوفيس را in partnership lo pangkil weather service rebelo malmsula